Vacuum, wash and dry, all in one effortless step. With the Vacmaster EasyClean HVA hard floor cleaner. Its ultra-absorbent powered microfibre roller delivers a deep clean, leaving your floors spotless and streak-free. Delivers up to 45 minutes of cordless freedom. And because it vacuums and absorbs as it cleans, your floors are dry and ready to walk on in seconds. And real-time updates every step of the way. With a hygienic dual-tank system, self-clean cycle and AirDry technology, it's always fresh and ready for next time. Vacmaster EasyClean HVA. Vacuum, wash and dry, all in one go.